Hello my lovelies, it's Odette. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching today. Thank you for coming in. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I do appreciate you guys so much. This is a skincare and beauty channel. So we're just gonna get right into this video. So today we're going to be talking about some skincare tips that's going to allow you to maintain healthy, clean, clear, beautiful skin. Trust me and you will thank me later. Okay. Tip number one is keep your hands out of your face. Okay. And I know that may be a little bit hard to do because some of us, we like to squeeze that pimple and scratch and stuff like that. I think it's very important that you try to avoid putting your hands on your face. I only touch my face when I'm putting on makeup, when I'm doing my skincare routine, and that's it. When I'm done with my makeup or skincare routine, my hands are out of my face because you might be out and about shopping, grocery store, opening up a door, touching something, and then you touch your face and all of a sudden you break out. So try really hard not to put your hands in your face. If I have to touch my face, I have to make sure that these hands are completely clean. So tip number two is always try to use the correct cleansers for your skin type. If you're oily skin, use cleansers for oily skin. If you are dry, use cleansers for dry skin. If you are combination skin, use the cleansers for combination skins as well. And try to find cleansers that has anti-aging formulas in it as well. And stay away from cleansers that are high in alcohol because of course alcohol-based skincare products always tends to dehydrate the skin, removes all of that moisture from your skin. So just try to avoid anything that has alcohol. Go for the natural skincare products, many of which I share with you guys already. And tip number three is try not to use too many things on your face because I've shown you guys my lazy day skincare routine, which really involves maybe 4 or 5 products. And too many products sometimes could be overwhelming for your face. If you can just, for example, my skin is oily, I'm going to use a cleanser, let's say from La Roche-Posay for oily skin. And then I'm going to go in with my, for example, my vitamin C and E serum from Sephora. And I'm just going to go in with my moisturizer. And this moisturizer here is from Nivea. And I showed you guys this many times before. So sometimes I keep it really simple. But the products that I use on my face is very effective. So the less products you use on your face, that will be wonderful as well. And toners are also important. You can use an exfoliating toner, for example, from Biore. This is another example of a great toner. This is from Olay. And this one here has witch hazel. And of course, we all know that witch hazel is very calming to the skin. And it prevents your skin from breaking out. And just the overall calmness and healing of witch hazel. And it's in this product here from Olay. And this was only $8 from Shoppers Drug Mart. So if you want to get this one, you can do that as well. And another cleanser that I highly recommend for you is from Thayers. And this one also has witch hazel as well. And I find this toner to be very moisturizing for some reason. Maybe it's just me. But when I use this toner, I find that my skin is always so nice and soft. And I feel like I don't even have to go in with a moisturizer, which is really weird. But I always do. So these two toners are really good recommendations for you. Or you can use this toner from from Avon. And this is my second one. And this is from the Believe brand. And I love this toner because it's very light on my skin. And these toners does not strip my skin at all. So a really good toner. Or the detox toner from L'Oreal Paris, which I've shown you guys before as well. These are really good recommendations that will not strip your skin, but they will be able to rebalance your skin, okay, and have something that is not going to sting as well. So these are some really great recommendations for toners for you. And don't forget to exfoliate. Exfoliating is really good as well. You can do twice a week exfoliating. You can do once a month exfoliating. It's really good. And try to find an exfoliator for your skin that is not too harsh, because sometimes some of the beads in the exfoliating products can be too harsh for your skin. Find a very gentle exfoliant as well. Again, something that is not going to scratch and irritate your skin, because sometimes when you use some of those exfoliating products and you go in with your toners, it's going to sting your skin. So try really hard to find an exfoliator that's very, very gentle for your skin as well. And moisturization is also important. You have to moisturize day and night, and you use a day moisturizer, and of course you use a night moisturizer. Day moisturizers are much lighter for your skin because you're out and about, in the elements, you're out at work, you're out doing things, you know, partying, whatever the case may be. Not party, who parties? I mean, some of you may party in the day, but, you know, I'm just kidding. But you know what I mean, right? Just try to use the moisturizers for daytime. The nighttime moisturizers are a little bit heavier for your skin because, of course, you're sleeping and your skin is resting. So night moisturizers and day moisturizers are also important. And always try to incorporate tools when it comes to skincare, like a massager. This massager here, guys, is from the dollar store. And this is a very inexpensive, effective massager. And I think this was just like probably $4 and change. And it has a beautiful gauze tone to the top. And you just have to turn this on. You may not be able to hear it. But this gives your skin such a gentle massage. So I'm just massaging right here, and I can feel the motions in my fingers. That's how well this massager works. And I just try to massage around the eyes, pull that up, just around the cheeks, around my chin area, around my forehead, and I'm gonna give myself a good maybe 15-20 minutes massage because it's very, very, very gentle. Again, I can feel it in my fingers, and I'm actually massaging the back of my hands, and this is from the dollar store. So these are really, really inexpensive, effective skincare products that you can use, and it is so good. You don't have to go hard on your skin, just very, very gentle, and you can even come around the neck and all of that. Again, from the dollar store. And I think, again, this must have been either $4.50 or maybe $5, but I'm going to leave this in the description box for you. And face masks are also important, and I love this one here from Badescu. This one has cucumber and green tea. I do have one in my office, and I do have one here in my beauty room, and the mist is quite light, as you can see. I am wearing just little makeup today, and I'm misting my face. And this really helps to calm your skin down and helps to keep your skin nice and cool. And it's not going to affect my makeup. So right after I'm done my makeup, I do my setting spray. And then I go in with a face mask. And I share with you guys some of my my favorite face masks already. And I also forgot to mention this Blemish Breakthrough from e.l.f. This one is just about done. I do have another one. And I use this for spot treatments. You don't have to use this all over your face. But if you feel like you're having some breakouts here and there, you can just use this anywhere on your face for spot treatments. This is really, really, really good. And I do have another one because, as you can see, this is almost done. Again, my makeup today is really simple. This lipstick is from Morphe, and this was the Vanny Grey collab with Morphe, and the lip pencil. And I think this is called, let me just see, it's called Yes Red. It is just so lovely. Love this lipstick. It came along with the lip liner as well. And I'm going to leave all of these things in the description box for you. And if I forgot to mention anything in this video, it will be down in the description box. So we are going to leave it here for today. And I do hope you guys enjoy this video and pick up a few tips. And I thank you guys so much for coming in today. Thank you for watching. My name is Odette, and I shall see you guys next time. Toodles.